Good afternoon, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Today's trading session saw Indian equity markets take a hit, with the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 indices closing at 81,855.68 and 24,804.60 respectively, reflecting a 0.37% and 0.36% decline respectively. The US President Trump's announcement of a 100% tariff on branded and patented pharmaceutical drugs has caused losses in pharmaceutical shares, with the pharma index dropping to 0.4%. The Indian rupee weakened against the US dollar to 88.7075 as markets await fresh debt supply, with government bonds showing a slight increase in yield. Overnight index swaps and call money rates fluctuated marginally, with the 1-year rate dipping to 5.45% and the 5-year rate inching up to 5.70 to 75%. Friday saw a sell-off led by pharma and IT stocks following Trump's announcement, with the IT sector experiencing a 1.2% loss after Accenture's weak revenue outlook indicated continued sluggish demand. The uncertainty over the US H-1B visa policy also contributed to the IT sector's decline in the last 4 sessions. Amidst this downbeat week, both Nifty 50 and Sensex have plunged approximately 2.3%, marking their largest weekly drop since early April following Trump's tariff announcement. All 16 major sectors are in the red, with IT, CNX IT, and Pharma, CNX Pharma, stocks leading the decline at 7% and 5% respectively. However, foreign funds may re-enter the Indian equity market following a year of absence, according to HSBC. This shift could occur if there's negative news about AI in South Korea or Taiwan, where foreign investments have been significant. HSBC has upgraded Indian equities from neutral to overweight, recognizing attractive valuations compared to regional peers. Despite this week's challenges, lower valuations, recovery in earnings, and weak foreign fund positioning make Indian equities appealing. Top picks among Indian stocks suggested by HSBC include Marico, Trent, Mahindra & Mahindra, and HDFC Bank. As always, stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for more updates.